everyone, how are y'all doing today? It's a little windy, so I hope it ain't messing with the GoPro, but I seen a mural. I'm in Water Valley, Mississippi. There's another one over there I'm gonna do, but I love these old murals. Look at it. ICRR 382 Water Valley. Amazing. I don't know what the store is. There's a little bitty house up in the corner. Look how beautiful. Like someone's reading a newspaper. The train tracks down here. That's an old brick building. You can tell it's been whitewashed or covered with something. It's falling off right there. It's chipping off. I hope it's going to eventually one day be gone. That's why I like to document these things. Amazing. Look at the old post office. It's cool. Alright, let's walk over to the other one. It's not that far. I gotta go back across the road though. Only crosswalk is down here, so I gotta take the crosswalk. They got some pretty churches here too. There's one down there. The old post office is fantastic. Church, First Methodist Church. I guess that's that house right there. This is a pretty town. It's an old town. I've done a drive through the town. I don't know if I got that video out or not, but this one's more, I like it when I get out. I was in a rush that day and couldn't. Look at that. Looks like a watermelon. This old church, look at it. Oh, it's got a roof like a gingerbread house. It's all chipping away up there. It needs to be repaired up there. It's got that old steeple I like. What is this church? Let's see. Beautiful. Look at it. Pretty stained glass windows. It's First Presbyterian. It needs some work. I bet the inside's here pretty. But here's the other mural. Look at that. Look like you ought to see a ghost in that window. Oh, wow. Church bells. Cool. See, there's the other mirror, a Coca-Cola. Drink Coca-Cola. Looks like you ought to see something in those windows. Something covered in, it's like Reynolds wrap up there. Huh. Oh, alley. What is that in that window? Those church bells are magnificent. I see some children playing back there. I like this old church too. Oh, mural. Kind of dark back here. Now, that's an old air conditioner. What is this building? I guess that's a newspaper over there. Oh, they have a car quest and all that. Sell lawnmowers and stuff. Independent Order of Odd Fellows. Water Valley Odd Fellow Lodge. I don't know what that is. Now that is an old. Get your plumbing supplies and all. Bank. Oh, look at that windmill back there. I gotta go film that too, y'all. But let's walk over there if we don't get ran over. We'll get it with jaywalking. These people, it's a busy town. They will run you over. If I can't get back here to that windmill. Looks cool. I know I'm bouncing, I'm walking fast trying to get over here. Oh, it's in somebody's yard, look. Get that. That's beautiful. Alright, y'all like my video, like, share, subscribe, and have a great day. Cool.